were at the Imperial Khao Hill Resort in Petchabun.
อากาศที่นี่กลางคืนเท่าที่เช็คไม่เคยเกินเลยนะครับจริงๆจะบอกว่าไม่เกิน22องศาด้วยซ้ำนะครับกลางคืนอากาศเย็นมากครับอากาศบริสุทธิ์มากแล้วก็เรามีพืชไม้นานาพันธุ์นะครับหลายๆอย่าง
The Imperial Khao Hill Resort is situated on the Khao Khor area of Petchabun province. Rooms are spread out in a 200-acre area of hilly valleys and ridges. Ridges are oriented north and south, making it possible to see both sunset and sunrise. The resort is very uniquely designed, situated among beautiful plantations. The temperature could get really cool during the evening, nights, and mornings. What I like here is the air quality. Air quality is very high, along with the beautiful weather and the misty morning. Makes it really refreshing when you breathe in the air. Staffs are very friendly and attentive. The resort itself is not new but very well maintained. Rooms are spacious and there are many different types to choose from. All of them has a balcony. Another thing I liked about this trip was the surrounding attractions. There's so many of them. We can go strawberry picking. We can go see freshwater jellyfish. Along with that, you have to take a boat on a river. And there's giant windmills. And there's this amazing temple that is very close by, which we will take you on our following episodes. So don't forget to click subscribe and click the alarm bell to get notifications and like us, please. Thank you for watching. See you next time.